So today, punta kami sa isang coffee shop around San Fernando as well as run some errands.
Maniwan ko sa rin po pala kain.
Charger unboxing. Nauna pa yung charger niya guys kesa sa cellphone. So quick story kung bakit may mga bago kaming charger. Last 2 weeks ago, galing kami sa seminar sa work namin sa parking hotel ng Clark Pampanga. At guess what? Naiwan ko yung charger. So instead na bumalik pa ako doon, bumili na lang akong bago kasi ganun din yung kakainin na gas kung babalik ako doon kesa mag-order na lang ako ng bago. So yun. So today, punta kami sa isang coffee shop around San Fernando as well as run some errands. Papapalit ko yung bumbilya na binili ko last week kasi hindi siya compatible dun sa mga outlet namin sa bahay. So yun guys, dumaan kami sa 7-Eleven for a Sunday.
Maniwan ko sa rin po pala kain. Kasi po pala lalamunan. Sinali ko ice cream.
Ice cream guys.
Tago yung t-shirt mo ah.
Hi. So we're going to Ace na para mapalit natin pagkakamali. Bakbak ng aeroplano. Finally, palit na namin yung ilaw. So, pero hindi pa rin ako sure kung pwede na to. So, if di pa rin pwede, hiram na lang kami kay Ted. Bye. Punta na kami sa coffee shop. Tapos lang natin sa Ace Hardware. Now we are going to the coffee shop here in San Fernando. Francis siya. This is the first time we are making a vlog for YouTube. So I asked ChatGPT to create an outline. Literally an outline. outline for the vlog. So I think ito yung susundan ko. Sundan namin today. Let's see. Let's see how we do. Comment guys kung anong review nyo sa first vlog namin. Actually, we've been almost to 90. Ilan na yung workshop na puntahan natin? 60 plus pa lang pala, so sorry guys. So we've been to 60 plus different coffee shop. Pero ni isa wala kaming binlog. So sayang yung opportunity. But this time, pilitin namin mag-vlog para may documentation din yung mga lakad namin as well as para kumita. hopefully, para may pangkape pa kami guys sa susunod. So, please subscribe na para ma-monetize agad kami. So, we're at here. Kasi na?
Capital Town.
Capital Town, San Fernando. We'll try the coffee shop I'm talking about. So, malapit na tayo guys. Eh, galing ah. Pwede ka na videographer. May papaning pa. Got this old trusty Maxi tripod. Check out nyo na sa yellow link. Tibay siya guys.
Ay, wala.
Tapos, mag-ano lang siya ng
Iniwan ako.
bestseller lang ng sea salt tsaka tiramisu.
Tiramisu, sea salt.
Sea salt. Isang sea salt at saka isang sige, tiramisu. Thank you. One was the sea salt latte. And this one was the tiramisu. Looks promising. This is the tiramisu coffee. This is the sea salt. So that's the the tiramisu was good, a little bit sweet for my taste, but this sea salt latte definitely hits the spot. So tama yung recommendation niya sa baba. This was good. If you happen to be here, order this sea salt latte. Their price was a little bit hard here. It's also good. So when we go to coffee shops, we usually order, I personally usually order the sea salt latte. But this time, in-order niya. Kaya nagbago na lang ako ng order. Pero the sea salt latte here did not disappoint. So kayo guys, if you could choose only one flavor of coffee to drink for the rest of your life, what would it be for you?
Matcha.
Matcha.
Matcha latte.
So what's your go-to coffee guys? Comment down below. Guys, this is the 71st coffee shop that we've been to. If I were to rate the drinks, around 7 out of 10. No, 8. 8 for the sea salt, 7 for the tiramisu. The price, it's just normal price, so I think 6. But overall, the ambience and everything was good. Especially the lightings here was good. So I give the ambience around 8 out of 10. Sadly nga lang hindi bagay yung mga damit namin for today. Naka-streetwear kami. Instead, siguro mga bagay dito pag pumunta kayo guys. More formal. Semi-formal. Any neutral colors bagay dito. Because of the classic vibes. I think this is Europe interior. If I'm not mistaken guys, correct nyo na lang ako if I'm wrong.